Today, we are going to explore how a train's cabin, also known as the driver's cab, is made inside modern factories. The train cabin is the control center where the driver operates the train, monitors safety systems, and ensures smooth operation. Because of its importance, the cabin is manufactured with extreme precision and safety standards. Design and engineering. The process starts with design and engineering. Engineers use computer-aided design software to create detailed 3D models of the cabin. These designs include driver visibility, control panel layout, seating position, and safety features. Special focus is given to ergonomics so the driver can work comfortably for long hours. After approval, the design is sent to production. Material selection and cutting. Next, high-quality materials are selected. The cabin body is usually made from strong steel or lightweight aluminum, while the interior uses fire-resistant plastics and composites. Large metal sheets are cut using laser cutting or CNC machines. These machines ensure perfect accuracy and smooth edges. Cabin structure assembly. The cut metal parts are then assembled. Welding robots or skilled workers weld the parts together to form a strong cabin frame. This structure must handle vibration, pressure, and impact during operation. After welding, inspectors carefully check the joints and structure for defects. Painting and surface treatment. The cabin shell is moved to the painting section. First, anti-corrosion coatings are applied to protect against rust. Then primer and final paint layers are sprayed in controlled paint booths. The paint improves appearance and protects the cabin from harsh weather. The interior installation. Now the interior is installed. This includes the driver's seat, control desk, screens, switches, and instrument panels. Electrical wiring, communication systems, and control electronics are carefully connected. Safety glass windows are installed, and insulation is added to reduce noise and vibration. Safety systems and testing. Safety systems such as emergency brakes, alarms, fire detection, and monitoring sensors are installed. The cabin then undergoes rigorous testing. Engineers test electrical systems, controls, visibility, vibration resistance, and temperature tolerance. Only approved cabins move forward. The final integration and conclusion. Finally, the completed cabin is mounted onto the locomotive or train body. Final checks ensure full communication with train systems. In conclusion, building a train cabin is a detailed process that ensures safety, comfort, and reliability for train drivers worldwide. Thank you for watching.